Welcome back to We Are Chef channel. Are you back from a long day at work and looking for a quick and easy dinner recipe for one? Look no further than this delicious and healthy one-pan lemon garlic chicken with asparagus. With just a few simple ingredients and minimal prep time, you can have a satisfying and flavorful meal on the table in no time. Sometimes garlic has green in the middle. It's okay to eat, but the green spout can be a bit bitter, so we can split the clove and pull it out. Let's face it, we all have those days when we don't want to cook. But fear not, because this one-pan lemon garlic chicken with asparagus is so easy. You have no excuse not to whip it up. The sweet aroma of garlic, basil, and lemon filling up the kitchen is like a spa day for your nose. It's important to trim the asparagus before cooking. Not only does it make for a prettier dish, but nobody wants to be chewing on top woody ends. Trust me, I speak from experience. Chicken and asparagus are a classic pairing, like fish and chips or banana and mash. You just can't go wrong with this winning combination. We add the rest of lemon juice. The great thing about one-pan dishes is that they are less clean-up inflow. So after you have done eating, you have more time to binge watch your favorite cooking shows like We Are Chef channel. The sauce we save it for the end. If you're not a fan of asparagus, feel free to substitute with other vegetables. Just don't tell the asparagus bonus. Thanks for tuning into this quick and easy recipe for one lemon garlic chicken with asparagus, with just a handful of ingredients and minimal pad time. This dish is perfect for those busy weeknight when you need a healthy and flavorful meal that can be on the table in no time. So why not give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe via Chef channel for more delicious recipe and cooking tips. See you next time.